Okay, this is stage number 12, Knockalla. I don't think we're going to beat Nesbitt's time, possibly. But we'll certainly have some good slides. Just watch this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 150. Very long 6 left, and bump maybe. Into 6 crest, keep left, and long 6 right, opens. 170. Long 5 left, plus line. This is the bad one. 50. Long 3 right, minus.
We're on the most famous and daunting Donegal special stage, Knockalla, with its sheer drops into the Atlantic Ocean to the left.
3 left, minus, opens, very long. 36 left. 36 left, minus, into right tightens, the 5 minus.
But also jamming.
Oh shit. Into 6 left over long crest. We got a minute.
This is not the place to have a jam throttle.
6 right, 50. 6 right, keep out, into 6 right, minus. Into 5 right, minus, opens long. 50. K right, tightens to 5, opens over crest. 70. 6 right, 120. Crest middle and long left, tightens to 3 plus. Into 6 right, and 6 crest middle, and 6 left. 70. 4 right, minus over crest. And 6 right. 70. 6 right and care. 6 right over crest, opens into 5 right, minus, opens. 35 left plus, opens over crest, keep in, into 5 right.
And Colin very sensibly has backed off the pace to get back to service. Stage 16, Garrygort, the last on a hectic Saturday. And with the Metro back on full throttle, Colin and Nicky are once again on a charge.
5 left, tightens line, into 3 right. Into left tightens to 3. Into 6 right, opens long. Into care bump, and 5 left plus. Into 6 right. Into 6 left, 70. 6 left minus, into 6 right minus, opens long. 30. 6 left, into bump maybe, and 6 left minus, opens long. 170. 6 right, into left, keep out, and tightens to 5. 30. 6 right, into left, over crest, and tightens to 5 plus. 70. Bump maybe, and 6 right. Into jump middle, into 6 right line, and 6 left, into 5 left minus, tightens. 30, right tightens to 4 plus, opens long. 70, K, 3 left minus, tightens, slippy. 50, K, slow 4 left, gravel, and long, slow 4 left. And right tightens to 3 minus, slippy maybe. 70. 6 right over long crest line and dip maybe, and 5 left plus, opens. Into 6 crest, 50. 6 right line, 100. 5 left plus over crest line, into 4 left. Into 6 crest, into 4 left plus over crest. 30. Right over crest, tightens to long 4. 30. 4 left minus, tightens long. 75 right plus, over jump maybe, into 6 crest, into 5 right, straight 200. 6 right, opens long, into crest, and 4 left minus, tightens, and opens, gravel. And 6 right minus, 100. 3 right over crest, and opens, don't cut. 70. Right tightens to 3 plus over crest. Into 5 left over crest, 30. 6 right, 70. Left tightens to 6 minus. 50. 6 right, 100. 5 right plus tightens and narrows into 5 left minus. Into 6 left minus, opens, 170. 3 right over crest, gravel braking maybe. 70, turn 2 right, gravel maybe. And 6 left and right tightens to 3 plus. And 2 left plus, opens. Into 6 right, into 6 left, into 6 right, 34 right, tightens. And long 4 left minus, opens. Into 6 right, 70. 6 right, 70. 6 crest, 100. 4 left plus line, gravel. 100. 6 right into very long, 6 right line, and tightens. 100. Long 4 right plus. 30, 6 right minus. 30, 6 left line. 100, 6 left into long 4 right plus. Into 6 left, opens long. And right into keep right, into turn 2 left minus, narrows, gravel. 30, turn 2 right plus. 70, 6 right, 70. 3 left plus, and opens. 100, 6 left, 50. 6 right, and long 6 right, tightens to minus. Into 6 right, keep out, and tightens to 4 minus. 150. 4 left plus. And 6 left, opens, 50. Long 6 left. And 6 left, and long 6 left. 100. 4 right minus, opens. 100. Turn 2 right plus, don't cut. 150. 6 left, 150. 6 crest, 50, turn 1 left, narrows, gravel. And long 6 right, 150. Turn 4 right, slippy. Into left, keep out, and tightens to 4 minus. And 6 right into long 6 right. Keep out and tightens to 4 minus over crest. Opens. 200. Care, bump maybe, and 6 left minus. 70. Crest and care, 5 left. 30, long 6 right line, and opens over crest. 200. 6 right over crest. 100 over finish. 6 right into long left, tightens to 5, opens. Okay.
At the end of the longest day, Colin leads the national section of the rally comfortably, and he would be 11th overall in the main rally, despite the problems.
Good girl, she's got to the end. Of today, anyway.
Getting there in one shape or form.
With 2 tough days of rallying behind, and with 120 stage miles completed already, just 60 miles lay ahead on day 3.